You resisted my truth! How fucking dare you!
Can a single spark of defiance
Because what are you arresting me for? You're arresting me for now!
ignite a full-blown legal inferno?
God, what are you arresting me for? Hanging up the phone and walking away!
These are their electrifying tales of hubris meeting handcuffs, each a wild ride of chaos and consequences. A routine trespassing call at a Sarasota Publix spirals into a spectacle. Tiffany's bathroom standoff and entitled outburst set the stage for a fiery clash with unyielding officers. On August 14, 2023 in Sarasota, one woman, let's call her Tiffany, found out the hard way. This is the ultimate tale of Karen getting humbled. The drama unfolded at a Publix where Tiffany had worn out her welcome, repeatedly asked to leave, but she refused, turning a simple request into a full-blown spectacle. The staff, fed up with her antics, called the police. When officers arrived, they found her barricaded in the bathroom, already radiating defiance. Her attitude was a mix of irritation and arrogance, as if she believed she could outtalk anyone. The lead officer made it clear, "Leave now or face trespassing charges."
I don't want to arrest you, but if you don't leave, get off of their property. Get off of the rest. Get out of here.
For what?
Are you refusing to leave? Are you refusing to leave?
I always followed what you asked me to do.
Are you going to
but
leave?
I'm being so
Yes or no?
disrespected. It's
You're not
rude.
listening.
It's so fucking rude.
Yes
dude.
or no? Are you going to leave?
Can I finish my phone call?
No.
It's almost done.
I said no. I said get off their property.
So do you have everything you need, love?
At first, Tiffany tried to dodge the officer's questions, clutching her phone and stalling. Then, instead of complying, she doubled down, her defiance growing louder and more erratic. She gestured wildly, accusing the staff of fabricating stories and even hinting at some past run-in with the law. The officers gave her multiple chances, far more than most would get, but Tiffany seemed determined to test their patience. Her every move screamed entitlement, as if the rules didn't apply to her.
Ma'am, get off the property.
What the? I'm doing absolutely nothing different than other people, baby.
Okay, you're under arrest.
No. I'm going. Sir, I'm
Get
going.
up. Nope,
no,
you're
you're
under arrest.
not going to do that to me. You already gave this.
Get your hands behind your back now. You're resisting arrest. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Are you fucking
Yes, you're under arrest. I told you to leave.
I am leaving. Please just let me leave, sir. You fucking thing, showing my everything. What are you arresting me for?
6102.
What are you arresting me for?
Female resisting. Give me 10
What are you
pages.
arresting me for now? Oh my God, what are you arresting me for?
Give me your other hand.
You fucking
Good job.
shit. You scum of the earth. You fucking scumbag. You are a son of a bitch. Look at the shit you go through just to fucking be so extreme. What a fucking scumbag.
Sit on your side.
You are a scumbag, dude.
Knees to your chest.
You are a piece of
We're gonna go up in
fucking
1,
scumbag, dude.
2,
Hold
3.
on. What the fuck am I being arrested for?
Even restrained, she didn't let up, her anger spilling over as she argued from the front of the patrol car. She insisted she'd done nothing wrong, ignoring the fact that she'd stopped to confront the officer not once, but twice after being told to leave. Unluckily, the body cam captured every single second.
What is wrong with you?
You didn't listen. I told you so many times
I
to
got
leave.
off the phone in the moment I did and was
And
walking
you
away.
stopped
You
and you
arrested
wouldn't
me. That's why I don't want to listen
This
to
is
you
all on camera.
because you don't respect me
You're on camera.
at all. Yeah, hanging up the phone and walking away.
Okay.
That's why I didn't want to because I knew you'd do some shit. That is unfucking real. You feel good about that?
I told you I didn't want to arrest
I mean,
you.
do you seriously feel good about this?
I did not want to.
Like,
push you.
how is this even possible? For you to feel okay about doing that to me just then. That is unfucking
If I get a
real.
female for a search
You
warrant.
broke my phone, you scraped my elbows, because I was already leaving and hung up the phone for
The
you.
ride to the station was no calmer. Tiffany's rage filled the car, her accusations growing more unhinged by the minute, but the evidence was undeniable.
Okay, you're not. Okay, you can believe what you want, but you are under arrest.
I have a fucking job interview tomorrow, dude. You fucking piece of shit.
That was really silly what you did.
I hope you feel really, hanging up the phone and walking away. That's what I was doing.
You stopped and you wouldn't leave. Again.
What did I say? I don't remember. Okay. I was walking away. You were following me. You told me to hang up. I did, and I was walking away.
If that's how you remember it.
How do you feel good about this, dude?
You'll be able to review.
You'll remember this for the rest of your fucking life.
Okay.
That is some shit, dude, to do, to embarrass me, show my ass. How dare you? How fucking dare you?
Should have resisted.
Oh my God, you're such a piece of shit. You threw me on the ground. How did I resist? You broke my phone and you're fucking my life.
Yep, I threw you on
You resisted my truth. Piece of shit. Citation. I'm on probation, and you just want me to go so far backwards, don't you?
You're on probation?
You do, don't you?
And you resisted arrest.
I did not. You threw me on the fucking ground.
When I put your hands on your back and you pulled
I was walking away.
On September 27, 2023, she was convicted of trespassing and obstructing an officer. The public staff who dealt with her disruptions before weren't shocked. She had a history of causing trouble. This wasn't just a bad day, it was a masterclass in how to turn a minor issue into a major downfall. Tiffany had every chance to walk away, but her need to fight left her in cuffs. Here's hoping she never steps foot in that Publix again, because next time the consequences might hit even harder.
You're a liar. I did what you asked.
It's on body camera.
It was the moment. Good.
Yes.
Oh, good. Trust me. My dad's a city manager. I'm gonna get you.
Yeah, I'm 14 or
it's in her wallet, I think. I'm just gonna search her wallet real quick. I'm just gonna get some hair stuff for her, and then I'm gonna search her.
Oh, but my wrist. Okay, now I got it.
Okay. No, just have you come this way, please.
Can you just fucking go like that with my bangs?
If you go like this, it would help. I can't touch your hair. There you go. Alright, if you just stand right back here, I'm just gonna close your door, okay?
Erratic swerves on a cloudy Keys day lead to Deborah's downfall. Her alcohol-fueled defiance and shocking tirades turn a traffic stop into a battleground of self-destruction. On a cloudy day, the Keys roads buzzed with alarm as drivers reported a red car lurching dangerously. Deputies zeroed in on Deborah, her wide turns and erratic swerves a beacon of trouble. As they approached her parked vehicle, a storm was brewing, not of rain, but of one woman's reckless rebellion. Her unsteady stance and the faint stench of alcohol whispered of a brewing tempest, ready to unleash havoc. Deborah's eyes glinted with defiance as deputies ordered her out. Instead of complying, she clung to her phone, desperate to spin her narrative. Her refusal to budge was a gauntlet thrown down, daring the law to act. When she lunged for her license, the spark of rebellion ignited, transforming a routine stop into a battlefield in mere heartbeat.
From you. So, are we refusing to do the rest of these exercises?
No, of course
Then let's
not.
finish
Of
them.
course not.
Then let's finish
I love
them.
you guys. Like, I don't want anything.
I don't want to be in this position either, okay?
I don't. I also
And I
want
know,
to try.
please, put the phone down.
I want to record all you guys.
We're recording
And
too.
she acts like she don't want to be, but like she got my.
I know you did not. Listen, all right, we're done
You got
here.
my license?
Yes.
Oh, here we go.
The flash exploded as Deborah resisted, her body thrashing against the deputy's grip. In a whirlwind, she hit the ground, handcuffs snapping shut. Her cries of distress pierced the air, claiming she couldn't breathe. Yet her fire reignited moments later. Deputies stood resolute, awaiting reinforcements as the scene teetered on the edge of pandemonium.
So, we'll just. Really?
Yes.
Really? Like, you threatening me?
No, we're not walking.
Please, stop.
Are you going to walk with me, or are we going to have
Can
to
I
carry
just
you to
stop my... God, can I not turn it off?
We're going to take care of all that. Is there anything other than your phone that you want
You're
to
hurting
go with
me!
you?
You're hurting me! 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 You're
Bound but unbowed, Deborah unleashed a torrent of wild claims, illness, connections, even a shocking racial tirade. Each outburst was a frantic attempt to dodge accountability, but the deputies saw through her theatrics. Her swaying form and alcohol-laced breath told a truth she couldn't outrun, each moment tightening the noose of evidence.
We're in the parking lot of Ocean Gardens.
Yeah, 13.14 minutes. Where the are you?
I'm standing right here next to you.
Yeah, crap. Oh, aren't you so proud? Jesus Christ. Hey, this is your life. I'm your son's teacher. I'm your son's teacher. This is what they're doing to me. Get this off of me. Get this off of me.
No.
No, you're hurting. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I'm telling you, I cannot breathe.
Do you need an ambulance?
I need an ambulance.
6211.
She's hurt me. She's hurt me. She's hurt me.
6211. Can you roll rescue
Oh, dear
20
God,
our
please,
way?
she's hurt
Reference.
me.
Our arrestee is unable to breathe.
God, you're so sick. You're so sick.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn you on your side. Was there another unit coming? From where?
As deputies scoured her car, the truth spilled out like a shattered bottle. 2 empty wine bottles, one half full, another unopened, all cold as guilt. The discovery was a thunderbolt, confirming her reckless indulgence. Deborah's attempts to deflect crumbled. The bottles were a silent jury, convicting her before a word was spoken.
Ma'am. Ma'am. Always things going there's no right there to prepare everything again. Because this is important shit. I think there's something going to happen. You know what I mean?
Rescue out.
She's choking me! She's choking me! She's choking me!
Deb, there's a camera back there recording you right now. And they see I am nowhere near you.
You're choking me! You slipped me! You know what you slipped me! You know what you did! You know what you did!
She said, can you...
Do we need to do? I don't think we need to risk it.
At the station, Deborah's defiance roared on. She battled every step, refusing to shed jewelry and lashing out with venom. A reckless attempt to bite a deputy piled on charges. Even a spit mask couldn't silence her fury as she clashed with deputies whose patience was a steel wall against her storm.
Please open your mouth for me so I can make sure you don't have
Please
anything.
open your mouth and shut the f up.
I got it.
But can he check? Can he just look?
No, check her mouth.
Okay.
Ooh, shut. Stop! Quit hurting me! Stop!
Rest time!
And a racial rant.
Oh wow, you're united. Wow, a black person and a white person united. But you don't give a f about her. You stupid. You hate her. You hate her because she's black. You can't stand it. Because she gets everything that you think that you should do.
Wait, hold on. I got one more thing.
Oh yeah.
Hey, Deborah.
Yeah.
One more thing.
Oh yeah.
Deborah.
Yeah.
Deborah.
Okay. Oh, she gets everything. Oh,
Deborah's antics hit a fever pitch as she feigned language barriers, demanding an interpreter, then hurled more accusations. her pleas morphed into aggression, a dizzying dance of manipulation. The body cam captured every unhinged second, a reel of self-destruction that would echo in courtrooms, leaving no room for her to rewrite the tale. She was charged with DUI and resisting arrest. Deborah pled no contest, facing probation, a suspended license, and fines. This wasn't just a traffic stop derailed, it was a legend of hubris meeting justice. She had every chance to walk away, but her defiance carved her downfall. May she steer clear of the Keys roads and folly forever.
You get me. That's my mother. You get out of me, you mother. I will hey, you get the f*** off of me. You get the f*** off of me. You get the f*** off of me. Down. You tell that mother get the f*** off of me.
Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Please. Okay. Calm down.
Listen. Get off of me. That's like fucker. Don't touch my hair, you stupid ass fucker.
Welcome to Speed Bodycam channel, where we share police bodycam footage. We are a dedicated team focused on creating educational and engaging content about law enforcement. Using AI and advanced technology combined with editing skill, we carefully craft our own authentic videos. Our editing team worked hard to highlight the emotional and real-life challenge officers face every day. Through impactful storytelling, we bring this story to life and share important lessons to raise awareness about the need to respect and comply with law enforcement. Please note that the content we present is not intended to promote or glorify violence, nor to condemn any individual or organization. We share this video for educational purposes, reporting and encouraging compliance with law and law enforcement in your area. Additionally, our bodycam footage is edited for brevity and to comply with YouTube's community guidelines, focusing on journalistic integrity while bringing both entertainment and meaningful lessons. We appreciate YouTube for providing a wonderful platform to reach viewers and share valuable content worldwide. Our audience support is a huge motivation for us to continue producing meaningful content every day, and it means so much to us. Thank you for being a part of the Speed Bodycam community.
That's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.